Well, now I did it. I made a big hole in the wall. But I'm going to make a door there. And got these pieces here to go back. And cut that 2x4 to make a frame. Something like this frame here. And we'll see where it goes from here. I'm going to put a little door there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my welder and my plasma cutter one above the other, you see. So then I just open. And all I have to do is open the little door and there they'll be right there. Because I got to do all my welding outside, you see. So, and I tested out the plasma cutter. It seems to cut. So, we'll see how it goes. Around it. We'll see how that works out. Okay. Siding on now.
I had to put a 4-hole plug there so I could plug everything in.
It's not a very good door, but I want it to open all the way like that, you see. But I got all the siding and trim on, and we'll go from here. Maybe I'll put a better door on it some other day.
Now to build the shelves.
Okay. What a gap there too, isn't there? Oh well.
Okay, I built the shelves out of bed angle iron. That plasma cutter cut them up pretty nicely. You got all kinds of bed angle iron. So I'll go around the door with the bed angle iron too. It'll make it a nice solid door, then I can weld the hinges on. That'll work. Hey, this is working out pretty good. Got the plasma cutter at the bottom shelf and the welder at the top shelf, and I can plug them all in there, hook them up to the gas and to the air compressor for the plasma cutter. It'll be right handy. You just have to open the door and reach in, and there's everything ready to go. It's just perfect. Okay, it's easy to get at the on and off buttons here for the machines. Yeah. I just have to hook the gas line up to the welder. That's no problem. Okay, so that's what I did, is I cut up some pieces of bed angle iron and went around that plywood door so it makes it nice and solid down. Welded those hinges on. That worked pretty good. I thought later I could have put the hinges on the inside and then they wouldn't be sticking out like that, but they work really good. So I think it's turning out not too bad. I'm just wondering what kind of doorknob to put on it. Have to do some thinking on this. Might be kind of weird. I'll come up with something though.
Now I made a latch reach on the inside, and that's all I do is, and then it fits into a socket here, and then so I latch it from the inside, and it's all good. There. Just have to paint it up now. Then I can get to work, do some welding. If the weather ever smartens up a little bit, because I got to do all my welding outside. I'll have to do it that time. It's just a little cool, that's all. It's not raining. We'll see what happens.
I put everything on the door that I need to do this welding, so I don't have to go in and out. I can just grab it off the door. Yeah, this turned out really handy. I tested it out. Just open the door and bring out the wires there and clip on the ground wire and set the controls and cut out the stuff and weld it all together. I can move that welding table over there. See, I made a couple scorpions. Yeah. Made a dragonfly and a few other things. And it's way more efficient now. Look at that. It was just junk yesterday. Now it can see the daylight. Look at, oh, this dragonfly ran away from home. I had to make Judy another one. I don't know why, but they don't usually stick around very well around here. Judy gets me to spray a little bit of blue paint on them. And I make them for her, but there's always somebody else that wants them, so they don't stick around. What? Here's a whole nest of them. They all got different color eyes. Two got spark plugs for stingers, and other two have got hooks. These are fun to make too. That's a pretty cool hobby, I think.